Hello guys, welcome back to Best Products channel. In this video I'm going to unbox and test the Aukey ice cream maker. Inside the box you'll find user manual, freezer blow fixed shelf, mixing paddle and bar, freezer bowl, outer bowl, power unit with LCD control panel. I will mix 3 pieces of fresh peaches with 4 spoons of sugar and 1 cup of milk. I have put the blow for 24 hours on the freezer. The machine need be on before you add your recipes. We go and let mix until it done. The ice cream is ready to serve.